sila. Ay, wala na. Wala na Kuya Jimmy, nag-English na sila. Nag-vlogging na talaga.
Because we need cash. We don't have money anymore. That's why we're doing this vlog.
Ito na talaga ang epekto ng
Because
alak.
here in Batanes, the cost of living here is very high.
Expensive
We
plus
cannot even buy a simple food
really
for our table.
if you're afraid
Ay, nako. Iniimbatahan po namin kayo sa memorial upang tumagay ng wala. Kaya tayo masabi dito.
And we're going to do the harvesting so they can give us vegetables.
Ay,
Give us the harvest their products. What's happening with our driver? He's only a first-timer driver. And he's assisting by his TESDA instructor.
Ha?
TESDA man. Sa TESDA, lahat.
abot kaya.
Kuhang-kuha.
Abot kaya.
Abot lahat.
Abot kaya yung pangarap.
Pinagano mo yung, pinagsama mo yung test na kaya-kaya sa abot lahat.
Kaya.
Unity.
Hindi pa natin
Ay, wala pa.
tapos yung kalsada.
Sa test na abot kaya.
Kuhang-kuha mo. Satoda. Satoda.
Pupunta na dito.
Split.
Going Baba. Urban area. Section sa ating video dito. So, kumakaling ka lang. Wala tayong impact na tawag ko. Tayo mobility.
Grabe siya.
Hindi mo. Under construction pa ang ating road. Ayun, doon tayo pang galing.
Ay, na pala po.
We're in Batanes, you can't do this.
Ha? Ano?
You can't do
Ano raw?
less. Hindi ka makakagawa ng this.
What do you mean?
Oh, syempre, there's no mall here. There's no mall.
It's the
There's
only
no
province with no
fast
malls and
food.
fast food.
There's no Starbucks.
Medyo may hangin lang. Medyo may kakaunting hangin lamang guys. But we can manage. Siguro.
Breathtaking Batanes.
Bilis talaga nila.
Kahit saan ka punta
Bilis
rito,
talaga. Kaya ko pahabol yan pero,
may Bukopchan, may Barata.
pero sige.
Everything is a
Mabait
scenery.
tayo. Pagbigyan natin sila. At bakit wala kang board? station. Kamoye. Yung pag-aari kayo. Wala pa, layo pa. Kaya maingay. Wala sila nag-park.
Sabi the bridge. Speed limits 20 kilometers per hour.
Ha?
Speed limit is 20 kilometers per hour because this is a school zone.
Oh, yeah.
This is school.
According to Wikipedia.org.
Ayan, may mangilan-ngilan ng bunga yung mga coconut na nabagyo. Ito ang mga bagyo here. Diyan na muna guys. Bye-bye for now. Let's vlog later again. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.